Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to use a ceiling mode to show you guys how to make a fluted panel for it. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, first thing first, go to ceiling. Okay, then just double click on the wall, or you can press this one, background wall design. Okay, next you just draw a rectangle. Okay, so maybe I put like 30, then go to some 2100, enter. Okay, something like this. Right. So next, I'm gonna press this, and I'm gonna off the wall. So maybe go 30 or so. Okay, it'll come out like this. So instead of going to do it first, I'm going to press complete. Okay, then you have your fluted panel. Okay, let's return. Okay, so next I'm going to go put the texture. So for now, I just maybe use a wall texture. Okay, this one I will use one. Then go wall paint. Okay, so go for a few type of color. Okay, so maybe I just use for the purple. Right. So I will just drag and drop. Okay, for one color like this. Okay, after that we just go back to our ceiling mode. Okay, right click. Okay, material painter. So paste, color my wall. Okay, once done ready, double click in. Okay, you have fluted ready, right? Select it, right click, select it, and right click. Okay, you select ready. Once you select done ready, you can right click, array. So when we see how much you want, then put 30 spacing, enter. Okay, once done, press complete. Okay, okay, there you go. You got your fluted panel ready. Okay, it's complete. Okay, there you have your fluted panel ready. Alright, hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.